Hello everyone, मैं ओम प्रकाश चौरसिया, ओम प्रकाश sir. Today I am taking my next class of mathematics class 11 from trigonometric function. The questions today is find the degree measure corresponding to following radian measures that are 11 by 16 radian, minus 4 radian, 5 pi by 3 radian, 7 pi by 6 radians. So first of all, we know it degree value is equal to 180 upon pi into radian value. When we put the value from the first part of this question, 180 upon pi means 22 by 7 into the value is 11 by 16. We get 11 2 is 22, 2 9 is 18, 90, 9 2 से 90 cancel होगा 45, 2 8 is 16. We get 7 5 is 35, 7 4 is 28 and 3 31 upon 8 degree. This is the value converted from in degree from radian, but we have to simplify it much more ahead. 8 3 is 24, 8 9 is 72, 39 whole 3 by 8 degree, which is equal to the 39 degree. 3 by 8 degree means 3 by 8 into 60 minute, which is equal to 39 degree. This is 6 3 is 18, 180 upon 8 minute. We get 39 degree, and this is 8 2 is 16, 2 8 2 is 16, 4 22 minute, 22 whole 4 by 8 minute. We get 39 degree, 22 minute, 4 by 8 minute is 4 by 8 into 60 second. This is 4 2 is 8, 2 30 is 60. Then the value is 39 degree, 22 minute, 30 second. So this is the converted value of radian to degree of 11 by 16 radian. I hope everyone understand it much better. सभी लोग इसको अच्छे से समझते होंगे. Let's move next. The another part of this question is minus 4 radian. So put the value there. Put the value here. 180 upon pi is 22 by 7, and radian value is minus 4. 2 2 is 4, 11. We get 2520 by 11 degree. When we divide it, we get 11 2 is 22, 11 2 is 22, 11 9 is 99 whole 1 by 11 degree. That can be written as 229 degree. 1 by 11 degree is 1 by 11 into 60 minute, which is 229 degree. 11 5 is 55, 5 whole 5 by 11 minute. That can be written as minus 229 degree, 5 minute, and 5 by 11 minute is 5 by 11 into 60 second. That is minus 229 degree, 5 minute, and 11 5 is 55, near about 27 second. This is the approximate value because it's not cancelled completely here. So it's approx value. Approximately. So this is the value converted of -4 radian to degree, that is -229 degree 5 minute 27 second. And now the third part of this question is pi by 3. How can we get the value in radian of this? Put the value 180 upon pi is 22 by 7 into the radian value is 5 pi by 3. We have to put the value pi just as pi here for simplification. Pi cancel. 3 6 18, that is 60. 65 is 300 degree. It's so simple to convert in degree. 5 pi by 3 radian have the value in degree is 300 degree. इस तरह से 5 pi by 3 को हम जब डिग्री में बदलते हैं तो ये 300 डिग्री प्राप्त होता है। और इस तरह से हम आगे दूसरे क्वेश्चंस को भी आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। उम्मीद है आप सबको ये सॉल्यूशन बड़ी अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा। और अब हम आगे इसके क्वेश्चंस बढ़ेंगे, देखते हैं कि वो कैसे। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज a wheel make 360 revolution in 1 minute through how many radiation does it turn in 1 second। एक पहिया है जो 360 चक्कर लगाता है 1 मिनट में, तो 1 सेकेंड में जो है ये कितने रेडियन का टर्निंग देगा आपको ये ज्ञात करना है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिंस 360 revolution in 1 minute, since 60 minutes have the number of revolutions, have the revolutions is equal to 360 and 1 minute revolutions have the 360 upon 60 is equal to 6 revolutions. This is 1 minute here, 60 second. This is the mistake. 60 second. Since 60 second have the revolutions is equal to 360. Hence 1 second number of revolution is 360 upon 60 is equal to 6. Since 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi. Since 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi in radian, and 6 revolution is equal to the 6 into 2 pi is equal to 12 pi radian. This is the answer in radian the revolution in 1 second. तो इस तरह से 12 पाई रेडियन का रिवोल्यूशन 1 सेकंड में जो है उस पहिए के द्वारा हो जाता है। तो ये इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज find the degree measure of the angles obtained at the center of circle of radius 100 semi by an arc of length 22 semi। इसमें हमको डिग्री मेजर पूछ रहा है किसी भी 100 सेंटीमीटर के रेडियस वाले सर्किल के 22 सेमी के चाप द्वारा। तो हियर we have to use the relation angle is equal to arc by radians। angle theta is equal to arc L by radius r, then theta is equal to arc is here 22 semi and radius is 100. For degree value theta is equal to, this is 180 upon pi into 22 by 100. We have to solve it। 180 upon pi into pi is 22 by 7 and multiply by 22 by 100। This is 22 से 22 कैंसिल, यहाँ पे 1 0 कैंसिल और 18 7 या 126 upon 10 equal to, when we do this is 126 upon 10 degree. 10 1 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 12 whole 6 by 10 degree which is 12 degree. 6 by 10 degree is 6 by 10 into 60 minute. 10 6 are 60. We get 12 degree 36 minute. This is the actual measure in degree of this question. I hope everyone understand it much better. आप सबको ये क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह समझ में आया होगा. सो आप सभी इन पर ध्यान दें. अगले क्लासेस में हम फिर आपसे मिलेंगे. टिल देन बाय. थैंक यू.